So yet again, another awesome milestone reached on the weekend. We started putting up the gyprock. Happy days. We've now got 6 walls up. Better than no walls. So I'll do a quick turnaround of the camera and show you what we did on the weekend.
Never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air, and that we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting?
So yeah, walls. I don't know. Did you count them? And cupboards. We did robes as well on the weekend, and they were like really painful to get into, small spaces, but they're done. So as we continue going down our pile of gyprocking, the walls will start to get bigger and easier, and they'll start to go up quicker, and that's exciting. So I mean, just check out that down into the master, and then the back of the wardrobe there. So exciting. And another big massive shout out to friends and family who've come and helped us. We've had Bonnie and Dave come over last weekend to help with the gyprocking, amazing, and Luke came out to help Matt with the door frames. I think there's 16 doors, and there's just that one to go up. So
I hope you know that I exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, I know it when I met you. I'm not the only one who's lost. Finally starting to
yeah, this weekend continuing with the gyprocking, finishing off the cladding. We've got to do some fill work, and then we can paint that. Then that's the outside of the house painted. Lining on the veranda, eaves. So honestly, lots of things, but it's always exciting to start a new phase, and gyprocking was that phase on the weekend, and happy days. It's awesome. Just all slowly coming together, hoping to move in somewhere between October and November. September and November. One of that. We'll get there. Anyway, check out that pile of gyprock. Definitely decreasing.